Hello and welcome to our demonstration of the latest SAP Business One mobile app version for iPad using SAP Business One version for SAP HANA as the back-end solution. On the main menu, you are presented with the Enterprise Search function, which easily allows you to combine keywords similar to the Google Search function, which allows you to search for data, such as a customer record and an item, for example, Maxi and IBM, which will bring up a list of search results. The look and feel is very similar to the SAP Business One client version for SAP HANA, allowing you to drill down to the different marketing documents, such as a sales order, with a range of filter options. You can drill down directly into the sales order document. The enterprise search results are still available and hidden in the background for further review. You can simply navigate back to your search results. By selecting the Sales Order Related Information button, you are presented with other business objects which are related to this particular sales order, like all of the items in the marketing document, for example. You can simply hide your results again or close your results by selecting the Done button. By drilling down into the dashboards that are available, the Cash Flow Forecast dashboard is now available in this app release for SAP Business One version for SAP HANA. By selecting the Cash Flow Forecast dashboard, you can see that the dashboard is presented in the same way as the SAP Business One client version for SAP HANA, with full functionality available, such as the ability to change the certainty level, include unconfirmed orders, or for example, you could adjust the timeline to review the cash flow peaks. From within the timeline, you can easily drill down into the cash flow forecast details and review the sales orders that impact these results. By reviewing the contents of the sales order, you can actually review the delivery schedule for these contents, which is also a new feature of SAP Business One version for SAP HANA. The delivery schedule can then be adjusted to meet your delivery and cash flow requirement. Let's now navigate back to our main menu and show you an additional feature of the Available to Promise function when creating a new sales order. We will now select the customer, Earthshaker Corporation, for our sales order for this example. When you select an item for this sales order, you are then going to be presented with a view of current and future stock information across a particular date range. You can then drill down into that information by selecting the date that's relevant to your situation. Another great feature of SAP Business One version for SAP HANA is the Persuasive Analytics dashboard functionality. So let's navigate back to the main menu and select Business Partners and choose, for example, Earthshaker Corporation. You can now view small dashboards presenting key information relating to this business partner. It utilizes simple SQL queries stored in the SAP Business One Query Manager, where you can easily create additional pervasive analytics dashboards. For Earthshaker, you can see a credit limit versus balance, or the top 5 items per customer, for example. We have demonstrated some simple yet powerful features on the latest SAP Business One mobile app release with SAP Business One version for SAP HANA.